Kinfolk, this is what you do with 10s whenever you win them from Southern Star. Represent, baby. What's happening, Kinfolk? Welcome back to the channel, Knuckles TV. Knuckles coming at you. Man, today we have the event, the Unum Jeep Club and Motorcycle Meetup and meet and greet, man. We got my wife right here in Sky, and then we got my buddy back there in his Jeep, man, Mike. And so we're headed to Conroe, over to Southern Star Brewing Company. And we're gonna hit that up, man, and forecast call for a bunch of rain, but hopefully it holds off, and that way we can have a good time, man, and not have to go inside. We can actually hang out in the beer garden, but we'll see what happens, man. We'll actually see, man, how many motorcycles show up. Like I said, the rain forecast was horrible for today, so not too sure how many Jeeps motorcycles are gonna show up, but hopefully there'll be a ton of Jeeps out there, man, and that way we can have a good time. Y'all can see some cool rigs, man, and hopefully we can have another one like this. It'll be awesome. As y'all can see, I got my Southern Star shirt on, man. This is a Hecho in Mexico shirt. It's for a Mexican style lager that they brew, and they just released it here not too long ago, man. So pretty damn cool shirt, man. Hell yeah. I don't know what's wrong with this camera right here, Kinfolk, but I'll turn it on the first time and don't realize it, but it shuts off automatically, or it stops recording. And then, like, I did it like 3 times right there and it wouldn't work, and then I had to turn it off, turn it back on, and now it's working. So I probably didn't get all those shots that I just did, but I don't know. So I don't know if I got the shot of my shirt, so here it is again. Kinfolk, that looks like rain. And we're here. Let's go check it out. What's happening, Kinfolk? Well, we're here at the Southern Star Brewing Company here in Conroe, Texas, man, for the Unum and motorcycle, Jeep and motorcycle. Hey, look, girl, you messed up my stuff. How you doing? This is my daughter right here. She decided to come and hang out with us. So we're here at the Unum Jeep and Motorcycle Meetup, man. And so far it's been an awesome turnout, man. It's only what, 3 o'clock? 3 o'clock?
3 o'clock.
3 o'clock. It's 3 o'clock right now, and we've got all these Jeeps here, all these Jeeps here, a couple motorcycles right there, and it rained a little bit, man, but the rain is holding off, so it's pretty good, man. It feels nice and cool, a little bit, huh? Not too much, a little humid, but it's still good. So we'll see who else shows up, man. Hopefully some more show up, and we'll be able to get all this going on. But let me take y'all and show y'all a little bit of who's already here. Christy! Well, that's not a little girl. Good. All right, so let me show y'all some of the Jeeps that are here already.
Alright, so first of all, I just want to introduce myself along with everybody else that's a part of the Unum Jeep Club that helped put this together. First of all, my wife, Mello, along with my cousin. Where's he at?
He's hiding somewhere.
My cousin over there, Mark. They are the founders of Unum, and so I just want to introduce him real quick. And then along with Mike and Rebel right here, which they basically taken over the event coordination. They've done an awesome job, man. They helped set this thing up here. So thank you to them. My name is Dwayne, aka Knuckles. I also have a YouTube channel, which this event here will be on that channel. I have some cards, so if y'all want to check it out, I'll pass them out. That way y'all can look at the event, and that way you can go back and be like, oh man, that was a great event. Y'all remember? You remember? So, and then also, man, I want to thank Southern Star so much for letting us host this event here, for us to be able to come over here and hang out with them. They've done an awesome job. Mr. Ben and Mr. Keith have been amazing to help us out, be able to put all this together. So thank you to Southern Star, and thank you for everybody out here at the bar for helping us. Southern Star! But anyway, so this here, man, if y'all want to follow us on Facebook, it's at Unum Jeep Club on Facebook. So anytime we do an event, we will post that on there.
Unum Jeep Riders.
And then we have Unum Jeep Riders for the ones that actually ride motorcycles. We post anytime we do a ride, we'll post on there as well. So and that's on Facebook. But right now we're gonna actually do. Well, let me tell you this. Southern Star, man, they are a great company. They actually support the military 100%, man. They do a lot of events. They do a lot of fundraisers. And so I've actually come here and taken the tour of the brewery itself. Mr. Ben gives the tour. So if you are interested in having a tour, get with Mr. Ben. He will give you a tour of the whole brewery, man. It's amazing. He knows a lot of stuff about the brewery. So make sure y'all get with him about that.
Hold it right there.
And then also so they do a lot of stuff in the military. So any company that actually supports the military that much, we are 100% behind. So that's why we were here, because they support the military that much. And so anybody that's here that is a veteran or an active member, please raise your hands.
Woo!
Thank y'all. We want to thank y'all for our freedom and for the sacrifices that y'all make for us to be in this great country and do what we do here. Without y'all, we wouldn't be able to do all this great stuff. So thank y'all again.
Thank you. There you go. So this whole time you haven't been using the mic.
So again, military and first responders as well. If anybody's a first responder, we thank y'all so much for everything that y'all do for us. So anyway, Southern Star, great company. Get behind them, support them, drink their beer, man. They got great beer. So now we're going to do a scavenger hunt. So a scavenger hunt we're going to do, we have a paper over here to where you can get the paper. We're going to put y'all grab teams, team of two.
Here, I can explain it.
Oh, okay, the wife's going to explain it because...
You probably messed something up.
Yeah, because I don't know what I'm talking about. Here we go.
All right, guys. So the scavenger hunt
How come she don't have to hold it like that?
is it's a team of two. The whole point of
I see it now.
this meetup is to meet other people. So if you pick a team or somebody to work with, try to find somebody that you do not know. Do not pick your spouse, or your boyfriend, girlfriend, your friend. Try to get somebody that you don't know so you can, get to know them. So when you get this paper, you're gonna put your team name. So make up a cool name. And then at the bottom, you're gonna put your name for the two people that are gonna be in your team. The winners of the scavenger hunt, basically how it works, is that you need to use your phone to take pictures of the proof that you actually found these items. And you're gonna get a t-shirt, which we have one up there hanging up. And your pin, we have some pins right here. Make sure you take pictures of everything. And also try to, things that are on the list are Jeep and motorcycle related. So if you have some of the items on your Jeep, don't take pictures of the same Jeep over and over, please. Try to go around and find different Jeeps. And if your Jeep has it, or your bike has it, try to look for something or another Jeep that has the same item. Any questions, let me know, and we can get started before the rain starts.
We're about to do the scavenger hunt, Kim folks, so y'all hang tight. We're going to see who ends up winning the prizes, and it ought to be a good time.
Okay, everyone has a paper, everyone has their team, is that correct? If you're ready to go, put your hands in the air. Put your hands in the air.
Who's the winners?
Mercedes and you, so you can
Lucy and Miss Mercedes won the competition.
That color is gray or black? I like the green. Okay, so we'll bring it down for you. You get a Lucy and a decal and... Awesome, thank you. Let's do that.
Kim folk, real quick, so I have brought Mr. Ben, which is the gentleman that does the tours for this facility. He knows so much about Southern Star, man. And so if anybody has an interest in doing a tour, please get with him. And that way he can set it up to where y'all can all go at the same time. Also, we have Mr. Keith, which is the tap room manager, which has done so much to help us with this event. I want to thank y'all so much. I appreciate all y'all done, man, for this little Unum Jeep Club meet and greet, and it's been a blast, man. The beer is amazing. You guys are amazing. Everybody inside is amazing. So thank y'all so much. Also, for the winners that just won right now, Mr. Ben also has, Mr. Keith also has 2 beer tickets per person. So you will get 2 more filled on the house. So if y'all want, please come up. Mercedes, where's Miss Mercedes? Mr. Chris? All right. Now what we're gonna do is a overall winner. The overall winner is going to also get
A shirt.
the shirt, decal, koozie, and drink tickets, along with Mr. Ben also said we could do a what's it called? A Southern Star 10, which is amazing. So let's go ahead and do that. So everybody that ended up participating in the whole scavenger hunt, we're gonna cut their names, put them in a hat, and then we'll draw it out.
You've been drinking too much, bro.
No, I don't remember shit. All right. Oh, you already got them done?
Yeah, here. Let's see, who did not participate?
There you go. All right, so we got the winner right coming out of this hat right here.
Put that 40 in the hat, though.
All right,
Alright, the winner overall is...
Mark! Yay! Hey, come on up here, cuz. Come on up here, cuz. Huh?
Mark actually named you.
Yeah. Come on up here, cuz. You won the overall. So, Mr. Keith here and Mr. Ben are presenting you with a couple of tickets along with some other stuff we got here. And then Mr. Keith is going to get you a Southern Star 10 to be able to hang up.
Like you're all in my face right now.
I don't even care. So, hey, again, man, thank everybody. I want to thank everybody that came out today, man. And we're here till 5, so don't take off. But we are. I want to thank everybody that came out, even though the rain was not promising. The weather wasn't very good, but thank y'all again for coming to hang out with us, man. And anytime you're here in Conroe, Texas, man, make sure you come check out these fellas here at Southern Star to get some good brew, and make sure y'all take the tour of the brewery, man. It's amazing. So, Mr. Ben, thank you, sir. Pleasure. Mr. Keith,
Right on, bro.
thank you, sir. All right, Kim folks, until next time, we will make sure we come back to y'all. So until next time, much love, much respect. Knuckles out.